birds in my window. I'm unwell, so I'm having intermittent fasting of 14 hours and watching these birds. It keeps me normal and happy. I'm giving some crumbs, toast crumbs to these birds. Very nice birds. They're really good. I'm liking it. Here is how I'm living normal. It's a yeah, it's good, very nice. They keep coming after every 10-15 minutes, and whatever I throw, they pick it up. I've learned a lot from these birds. How your calories, they should be kept filled up. Whatever energy they lose in flying and efforts and all, and they keep on filling it up also. So they're always full. It reinforces my belief in my formula, which is that 60 to 70% one should focus on one's food, health, food, and another 20-25% on mental peace. These birds also give you a lot of mental peace. Look. And rest, whatever energy one should focus on money earning or serving others or whatever, sharing with others. Yeah, look. They are becoming friendly. Nice. I'm trying to raise their confidence level. That's why I don't move, I'm not speaking much. So that's all. Thank you.